Hi, my name's Amy and I live in Pennsylvania. I wanted to talk about Greatmats and what fabulous flooring that they have. I have the Max Tile raised floor in cherry plank, and I also have the borders. It is 9 squares by 5 squares, so it's 45 square feet because each square is 12 by 12 inches. And it was very easy to install. It installs much like a puzzle where you just push the pieces together. And I'm very pleased to say that it's been intact for 2.5 years. It never comes apart. I use it every day for dance, for zumba, for cross training, for yoga, for combat. And I'm very happy with the product. In 2020, when the pandemic hit, I wanted to set up a home gym. So I used a piece of plywood here, and quickly I realized that wasn't gonna work. So I researched and I found Greatmats online. I then called the company and had a wonderful woman who walked me through different options for what my needs were, and we settled on the Max Tile raised floor, and I've been happy ever since.